Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Villa. Today we are going to learn and write 10 lines best essay on the rain. Come let us start. First line, rain comes as a welcome relief after the heat and dust of the summer. Next line, rain is a wonderful gift of nature to all mankind. Rain is a wonderful gift of nature to all mankind. Next line, if there are no rains, crops will not grow. Crops will not grow. Next line, all the vegetation will wither away. Next line, we cannot think of life on this planet without rain. Next line, without rains, the water level of the earth will sink. The water level of the earth will sink. Next line, the people will not get water to drink and food to eat. There will be a terrible drought. Next line, water is life, and without rain there will be no life on the earth. Next line, people wait for rain eagerly when they are delayed. When they are delayed. Next line and the last line, we should thank God for this great gift He has given to all mankind. We should thank God for this great gift He has given to all mankind. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification. Thank you.